Kris Aquino ginulat ang lahat nang dumalo at magpakita ng suporta sa matalik na kaibigan. Bilang pagsuporta ni Miss Kris Aquino sa matalik na kaibigan nito at sikat na designer na si Mr. Michael Leyva, ay talagang nag-effort nga ito para personal na magpunta kasama ang anak nitong si Bimbi, dahil ayon sa kanya ay isa nga si Mr. Michael Leyva na talagang subok na nito na talagang nandyan lang sa kanya sa kabila ng kanyang mga pinagdaanan. Matatandaan na si Mr. Michael Leyva ang palaging dumadalaw sa kanya sa ibang bansa at isa din sa mga nag-aasikaso sa anak ni Miss Kris kapag ito ay nasa ibang bansa pa. Sa dami din umano ng malalapit dati kay Miss Kris ay isa ito sa talagang hindi umalis at nanatiling mabuti sa kanya.
He's actually acting like a dad to Bill and the dad to Kuya. Yeah, Bill said his parents are here. So it's really, he's more than just a friend. He's really like the younger brother I never had. And there are people who say that I'll be there for you or asahan mo ko, but Michael has proven that so many times and in so many ways. And he gave his 2 cars to us.
No-nonsense crusade against human rights violations and illegal offshore gaming operators, and pushing for meaningful and relevant legislative measures for women, the marginalized, and members of the LGBT Filipino and Southeast Asian artistic gymnasts to score double gold medals at the 2024 Paris Olympics. He is now setting his sights on bringing home more honor to the country at the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. Mga kaibigan, our double Olympic gold medalist, Mr. Carlos Yulo.